Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Today we'll be continuing lesson number 9, our body. And our topic for today is digestive system. Children, we all need food because it provides us energy and we eat different kinds of food. But what happens to that food? Have you ever thought that? Come on, let's see. The journey of food begins at the mouth and ends at the anus. The food passes through a process called digestion, where it is broken down into the simpler form to be absorbed into the bloodstream, and the waste is removed out. There are many organs involved in this process, and there is a lot of activity happening in every organ. Mouth. Digestion begins in mouth as soon as we put in our food in mouth. Our teeth are powerful crushers that cut, chew, shred and grind the food. Our lips hold the food in. Tongue pushes the food inside the mouth as it mixes with saliva. Tongue, which is actually a powerful muscle, moves the food backward and pushes it down into the esophagus. This is called swallowing. Esophagus. It is a long tube which transports the food from the mouth to the stomach. It is inside our neck. It is also called the gullet or a food pipe. It is about 25 centimeters long. The strong muscles in the wall of tube squeeze and push the food down into the stomach. It has a muscular wall towards the bottom to stop the food from the stomach to re-enter the mouth. Stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped strong muscular bag that can stretch to store food. It works like a food blender. Inner wall of the stomach contract to churn the food. Acid fluids, that is digestive juices from the liver, aid in breaking down of food. Small intestine. When the food leaves stomach, it enters the small intestine, which is nearly 7 meters long. The digestive juices here further break down the food in soluble substances, which can be easily absorbed by the walls of the small intestine, and then they can be passed into the bloodstream. Large intestine. It is a long white tube around 1.5 meter long that surrounds the tightly coiled small intestine. It is at the end of the digestive system. Large intestine receives remains of the food from the small intestine. Excess water and salts are absorbed here. Waste products from the digested food, that is undigested part of the food, moves down to the end of the tract. The walls of large intestine are very smooth and produce a slimy mucus. This helps the food waste called feces to slide along easily and pass out of the body through anus. Undigested food stays in large intestine up to 12 hours. Rectum. It is a 12 cm long tube at the end of the large intestine which holds the feces. When it fills up, we feel the need to go to the toilet. Anus. It is the final destination. It is an opening in the body that lies at the end of the rectum. Solid waste passes out of the body from anus. So remember, we must chew our food well, eat a balanced diet, follow the right eating habits to stay healthy and fit. I hope children you have learned well digestive system. Thank you.